Hello friends, today I am teaching you the cost and work accounting third, chapter number 5, standard costing. Firstly, I will tell you the meaning of standard cost. The word standard means a criterion. Thus a standard cost is one which is a predetermined and used as a criterion for the measuring the efficiency with which actual cost has been incurred. Standard costs represent the plan of cost of product. They are expected to be actual in particular production process under normal conditions. It is a technique of cost control. It means we can say that control is any specific action that guide the activity towards some predetermined unfavorable event. It is exercised more effectively through the goal setting and evaluation of performance. It is a continuous process which aim at ensuring that corrective action confirm the well designed plan. Cost control is the most important objective of cost accounting and cannot be achieved without some standard again which we actual can be compared. Standard is a desired level of performance for evaluating whether the actual performance is up to the expected level. All management officials are increased not only interested not only in understanding what costs are but also how satisfactory and productive they are. The standards provide incentive and motivations to work with greater efforts and diligence for achieving the standard which increase ultimate efficiency and productivity too. And then I will tell you the definition of standard cost. The Institute of Cost and Management Accountant UK defines standard cost as a predetermined cost which is calculated from management standard efficiency, operate and prevent necessary expenditure. May it may be used as a basic for pricing, fixing and the cost control through the variance analysis. And then I will tell you this definition of standard costing. According to a CIMA London, standard costing is the preparation and the use of standard cost, their comparison with actual cost, and the analysis of parent of their causes and point of incidence. Then I will tell you the advantages of standard. The advantages to be derived from the system of standard costing will vary from one business to another. It depends upon the degree of sophistication achieved and the acceptance by the management of utility of the system. Possible advantages and standard costing technique are as follow. In which first is effective cost control. The most important advantage of standard costing is that it facilitates the control of a cost. Control is a exercise by comparing actual performance with standard and taking action on the basis of variance so reveal. Then next is a help in a planning. Establishing standard is a very useful exercise in business planning which instill in the management a habit of thinking in advance. And third one is a provide incentives. The standard provide incentive and motivate to work with greater efforts. Scheme may be formulated to reward those who achieve or surpass the standard. This increase efficiency and productivity. And fourth one is a fixing price and formulating policy. Standard costs are the valuable aid to management in determining the price and formulating the production policies. For example, price may be fixed by adding standard margin of a profit in a standard cost. Similarly, standard costing furnish cost estimates while planning productivity of new product. Then next one is the facility delegation of authority. In order that responsibility for of standard performance may be identified directly with the person concerned, an organization chart is prepared which show the delegated authority and establish the responsibility for each executive. Then next one is a facilitate coordination. While establishing the standards, the performance of different departments such as production, sales, purchase, etc. is taken into account. The standard cost facilitate the coordination between different function of a different department. The next one is element wastage. By fixing standards, certain wastage such as a material wastage, idle time, lost machine hours, etc. are reduced. Valuation. Then next one is a valuation of a stock. Standard costing simplifies the valuation of stock because the stock is valuable at cost. The difference between the standard and actual cost is a transfer to the variance account. This ensures the uniform pricing of stock in the form of raw material, work in progress, and finished goods. The next one is economical and simple. Standard costing is an economical and simple means of cost accounting and generally result in a saving in the cost of costing system. It result in reduction of paperwork in accounting and need larger number of form and records. This lead to the considerable saving in clerical labor. Then last one is a facilitate cost audit. Standard costing facilitate the cost audit since if variances are satisfactorily explained, the accuracy of costing can be simplified or safely assumed. Thank you.